Hey, James Dickerson here with Keller Williams Realty Northeast. I just want to invite you all to my open house today, the 17th, tomorrow the 18th, the 24th and 25th, so you can register or win rocket tickets for March 5th. So come on by so you can register to win and see this beautiful home. So let's go take a look inside of the home. You got your office as you enter the home here. You got your laundry room. Get your laundry room here. Your dining area. You got your kitchen that opens up to your dining area and also opens up to your living room. Plenty of space for entertainment. So at the end, you have the master bedroom here. It's away from the rest of the bedrooms. And here's the master bath here. Has two closets. So it has plenty of space in the master bedroom. Outside, we have the covered patio area. So there's plenty of space for entertaining out there on the patio. And away from the master bedroom, come around through the kitchen. You have a full bath here. And you have another bedroom downstairs. So there's two bedrooms downstairs. And through that door over there, that's the garage there. So let's go upstairs and take a look at the game room and the other two bedrooms and full baths. It's your game room area. Plenty of space here. Another full bath. Upstairs. One of the bedrooms here. Second bedroom's from upstairs. So come on by, register to win some rocket tickets and see this beautiful home over here in the Groves today.